Hi, I'm Carmen with KR Office Interiors, and recently we have completed a project here at the Helena Job Service where we have provided them with functional and fun and inviting furniture for all community members to come and enjoy. Upon entering the Helena Job Service, we are welcomed with this Steelcase reception station that welcomes all members. We have used a very collaborative and kind of open concept. This is one of the offices that KR Office has designed. Here to the work surfaces. So the work surfaces here that were used, they're just your basic laminate surface tops, but they have a very high durability quality. This pedestal here is very universal due to the fact that you can pull it out. You can use it for an additional seat. KR Office has used these Office Master chairs because they're durable and they're easy to use for the employee. We've also used the Steelcase table with Office Master chairs in this small little computer area where, again, all staff members and customers can come in, apply for jobs, build their resumes. KR Office Interiors has also used this Steelcase product, which is the Move Stool. The reason why we've used this Move Stool is because it's very durable. We have a leather seat here, it's multifunctional, and it's easy to use. In this conference room, we've used the Steelcase Convene table. You have accessible power, which you can hook up with data power, and then you can make it mobile to hook up to your TV. Here in this small seating space, we've also used some more Steelcase product. Here we have a fun little universal table, which is a solid surface Steelcase top with some wood legs, which again we wanted to pull throughout the space to match the reception station, to match the veterans area. And then we have this love seat and sofa, which is again a durable multi-purpose use, and it's very fun and inviting, very modern.